In this video, I'm going to cover the input function in Python. The input function is a built-in function in Python, and you can use it to collect user input during runtime of your program and store that input or data as a string in a variable. And this is the syntax of the input function. Input set of parentheses, and you can specify the prompt message, which is optional. And the data entered is always returned as a string. So meaning even if you input numbers, Python automatically store that data as a string. So by using the input function, it makes your scripts interactive and dynamic by collecting user input. And this is an example. So let me go into the IPython interpreter and just copy and paste this line of code. So here I'm just saying input, set of parentheses, and this is the prompt. This is the prompt message. Enter the device IP address. And I'm storing the data into a variable called device IP. Okay, so let me just copy and paste. So it says enter the device IP address, which is the prompt message. So I will just enter the IP address 10.10.10.1. And it's not giving us any message on the screen. So we have to actually use a print function. So here I'm just using a f string to basically print the variable device IP. So if we print it, it says connecting to device at, this is the IP address that I entered. And if I do a type on the variable called device IP, there should be a string here, string. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.